All right, the video I put out the other day, I had one block of this made, but I've got the strips. I've got 5 strips down and 4 across. Now I'm going to pin these together, and then I'll make a video of pinning them together and getting them sewed together. Then I've got to put the white binding around it, and then the colored binding around it. But this is going to be so pretty. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, I'm pinning these together, and I'm sewing the strips together. It's raining this morning. Gonna rain, I think, till dinner. We had snow last week. It stayed on the ground for a long time. It got down 9 below a couple of days. It's back up to 60-something now. So my light bill, I just got through paying my light bill, and about the largest light bill I ever had. But I had to keep warm. This quilt has got a lot of different colors in it. That makes it pretty. I made a hunter star quilt. Now, it was just blue print and white, but it turned out real pretty too. I wished I had a long arm quilting machine, but I live on Social Security, and I quilt it and put it together and put the batting and then the backing on it, and then I quilt it by hand. And I enjoy doing that. Oh, I thought something was crawling on my foot. My cord was from my pedal. It's wrapping around my foot. right, I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all was doing all right this morning? I did one side of it, and I had it on photo, so I had to fix my camera to get it to video again. I've got a new camera, and I'm still learning the functions of it. I was going to finish this yesterday, but I sat down and went to sleep. But I'll be 83 years old in March, so when I sit down, sometimes I just fall asleep. I hope everybody's doing okay. I bought this new sewing machine when I retired. Been going on 7 years in May, because I started quilting then. I made quilts before then and pieced them together, but I was working and never did have time to finish quilting them, so I had made one and finished it, and I finally got it finished and gave it to my oldest daughter for Christmas year before last. And then I've got 3 children, and I made more. I've made about 14 or 15 completed. I've got 10 ready to go. And then I've got some that I've pieced the tops together, but I haven't got them quilted yet. I'll stop this now and get the other 2 sides, and then I'm going to put the other binding. So I'll bring you. All right, I am going to put the border on the quilt, and I am using different colors. And they're 5 inches square. And I've already got some of them made. Matter of fact, I've already got 2 rows on it done. But alrighty. I'm gonna turn that over. Well, I've got to have about 15 of these. About 16 maybe. Maybe 17. Here it is, almost midnight. I get to watching Perry Mason. I couldn't do anything while I was watching Perry Mason. I've been watching that for 60 years or more. I watch the reruns. Matter of fact, I watch Perry Mason in the morning and then at night too. Oh my goodness. I got to thread my needle. My tension on my sewing machine is not exactly right. Oh, it went in right easy that time. Alrighty. going to do this one, and then I'm going to stop and finish sewing these together, and then I'll come back sewing it on the quilt. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, I am sewing the border on. Let me get my thread situation. This is going to be so pretty. I can't quilt it tonight, but I've got to get me some batting. I've got the backing. Okay. I'll bring you back. I'll get it on the bed and so you can see it. All right, I have got the border on. The border on the quilt. And it looks so pretty. Now I've got to get it quilted now. But that's what it looks like. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Y'all have a wonderful week. Thank you so much. Just like, share, and subscribe. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe.